Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka special code jongko NIA Shillong kala Khot Hajir yagi Nongïalam jongko Newtrap National Liberation Council Hnlc baguntup yu chairman uba Bobby Marwen Marius Rinja bat u General Secretary uba San Kupar Nong Trau bat la hukum bagi day banwan mi syakut haka sauteri ukula lingkot jong usnem banwan Henry Menteri Rangba kejela uloong baka Jingshah Khot Hajir jongki Nongïalam ke Hnlc kan Ktah Satya yagi Jingkren Ïasuk kabarang ya cakmat.
That has not direct connection with the talks that we are having, and in order to be able to ensure that complications like these don't come up, that is precisely the purpose of the official talks. So wherever these discussions need to be brought in, of course talking to Home Ministry and to the different agencies, we will see and we will try to find out how to move forward in this. But as I said, these are different cases. These are cases which are being investigated at different level and for different reasons, which has nothing to do with the peace talks. But yes, I understand that the members involved, are there who are being called. But as I said, these discussions, the peace talks are meant to figure out a way so that these kind of complications can be resolved. But it will not affect the peace talks. See, the thing is that the previous government did not take steps in this line to actually move forward with the peace talks. And this could have been done in the past also. But nonetheless, this government has now moved ahead. And obviously, these talks cannot take place without the deep discussion with the central government. And I have mentioned it many, many times before, that in 3 to 4 occasions, I have had discussions with Home Minister. In multiple occasions, maybe even more than 8-9 times, I have had discussion with the Home Secretary, and obviously very senior officials of the Home Department are regularly in touch and are coordinating the entire process. So yes, the central government is very much aware.